What's up, YouTube world? So, as you can see, I have a trailer here, and it's hooked up to my truck. What's in the trailer? Alright, so we are in the trailer. Oh, look, we got some wheels. What are those wheels? What did we bring home? Ooh. That's right, it's on all fours. What's up, buddy? Are you happy?
Loving it.
So she's on all fours. Everything's still mock-up stage, but we got it all done. Got it on all four wheels are on. Got it all set up. Check it out. Coilovers are not in it. Those are just some prop-up rods. So she's finally done. So looks good. So we're gonna get this bad boy completely unloaded and in the shop, do a little shop tour, and we'll look at the 39 Chevy. All right, we're walking in Hammer City Customs. Oh, look, it's the Bandolero. That's a 49 or 50 Merc that someone made into a kind of like a Ranchero, I guess you could consider it. But they put some kind of crazy top on it, so he's changing it all around, and he's going to put a roof on it. So obviously that's just mocked up. That's not staying. But it used to be a four-door. And oh, there's a reason they call it the Bandolero. This is what he's going to try to make it look like. Look at that. Every panel had about a 1/4 inch thick of Bondo or more. And there she is in its glory. So all the body work's just roughed in on the body, the fenders. We got left side fender. The right side fender was always damaged really bad. So we didn't get crazy with that yet. We were trying to find another one, but did away with all the holes. Obviously this is only just first stage, and it's primed for protective purposes, and we still don't know why those holes are there. Must have been a dent. So that's going to get repaired down the road. But I got to do some modifications to it, and I got to start cutting and grinding and doing some welding. So I told them to hold off on any further body work until I'm done. The firewall, I actually did that early on, right before I brought it to them. That's why it's red primer, because that's all I had. But she's dirty, but that's just from sitting. So that's it. So this thing's wild. Look at what they did. They made a tailgate. That's got to be, it's got to be a 1/4 inch thick of filler, and it broke off in one piece. That's scary. Some of the stuff they did back in the day was scary. So he's bringing it back to life. That thing's pretty cool. So yeah, that's it. So we are loading up. We're going to push the Vette in, and actually that's the blower for the Vette. So I'm going to help Bruce put that back on so he can have it mocked up, because they're having a Christmas party. So perfect timing. Get the car back here so everybody can see it. Go. So she's back in her home. We mocked up the blower, so now you guys can get an idea. So we are locked and loaded. As you can see, We got our fenders. This fender was the one that's banged up pretty bad. So, and the car's in the trailer, and unfortunately it's going to stay in the trailer for a little bit. So, not a big deal. So, short little video. Just wanted to give you guys updates. So, the Corvette's rolling. It's on all fours. 39 Chevy, Killer, or the new name, I can't tell you. Yeah, I never... So, originally we named the car Killer because somebody walked in when we were building it and said, that car looks killer. So I was like, oh, it's a pretty funny name. It's a good name. But I really don't like it. So, we're going to rename the car. I'll let you know. But, it's coming home. So, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Short video. Enjoy. If I don't make any more videos before Christmas or New Year's, everybody have a safe holiday and have a happy New Year. But I think I'll have some videos. Yep. Because Squints couldn't be here right now. I need my camera guy and my helper, but he'll be in the videos coming up. So anyone that's a Squints fan, make sure you comment. So thanks for subscribing. Share, comment, like, do it all. Later.